Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Mandasari, majoring in English Education student from Islamic State University of Raden Kata Palembang. The theme this time is about an extraordinary university, namely the University of Oxford. So here I will discuss if I have the opportunity to study abroad. I really want to study at this university. There are several reasons that make me very interested in this one university, and the reason I will explain briefly and interestingly. Oxford University is the oldest English-speaking college in the world. Teaching and learning activities at the University of Oxford were first carried out in 1096 and are truly historic. The location of this university is in the city of Oxford, Great Britain or England. Oxford University has approximately 38 study programs that are divided into 4 divisions, namely humanities, medical science, social science, and exact science. Oxford University continues to promote its achievement and quality in academia. The University of Oxford has also given birth to many successful people in various parts of the world, including 58 Nobel laureates, a large number for the size a Nobel Prize recipient. The University of Oxford promotes the work of research and cooperation with international companies. That is why its graduates are in demand by international business people. According to the Time Good University Guide in 2 to 2030, the University of Oxford managed to occupy the first positions at the best university in the world for 11 consecutive years. With this ranking, the University of Oxford is recognized as an influential university in the world. Behind its success, the University of Oxford also has several other interesting things, such as having the largest library in Great Britain with a collection of books reaching 11 million copies. University Oxford is the university used as the shooting location of the famous Harry Potter films. Almost all the Harry Potter films edition use this university location for shooting. So that this university is one of the tourist destination for tourists from outside the UK, because the shape of the building and the existence of the Oxford campus is very unique, majestic, classy, and in a Victorian style that attract the attention of visiting tourists. University of Oxford has several museum exhibiting rare, unique, and historical objects. Well, that the reason why I was more interested in this university compared to other universities. Before I end, I apologize if there if I have mistake. Thank you so much who have watching this video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.